Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm just showing you these items, and these items are courtesy of Miss Heather. Yesterday Miss Heather blessed Miss Sharon, and today she's blessing Mr. John. Yes guys, and we're gonna go up by the little place that he's staying and clean up the place, wipe out, to protect myself because the chemical and stuff will affect me because I'm pregnant. So yeah, so we buy gloves, we buy masks, we buy that, we buy these for the clothes so they can smell fresh and nice and all of that. Yeah, we bought that. Bleach, mop, and the fab. And I'm smelling the stuff, so I'm going to step away. So Miss Heather, thank you so much for the blessing that you bestowed upon Mr. John and Miss Sharon and her grandsons. They are so grateful. Guys, Mr. John was so grateful. He was crying when he came from clinic and saw what we did to the place, how clean it was. He couldn't control his emotion, guys. He was crying. He could hardly look in the camera. I didn't want to show him, like that. But guys, oh my goodness, this was such a blessing. Guys, so we're here now. And put my mask on. Okay, now I'm putting on my gloves. So because I'm a female, I buy my pink. So I couldn't buy my blue. Why you take a pink?
Where is it?
So you couldn't take a pink, I'm going to take a blue.
Why?
Alright, give me one, put one hand on the pink and give you can do that. Give
okay.
me one.
It's okay.
Give me one that pink.
Pink is for ladies. You see the look? Where the gloves?
Okay guys, so now Junior is separating the clothes because some of them are good and some are torn and all of that. So he's separating them, putting those good ones in bags, and then he'll put the other, those that are not good. He's gonna put them in bags also because those are gonna be burnt. As I'm doing this voiceover, those that are not good, Mr. John, when he came from the clinic, he burnt those already. Didn't get to catch it on camera because he burned them before we came back. Yeah. But anyways, so that's what we're doing now, separating, removing stuff and all that. Junior did most of the work, guys, because my condition. I couldn't manage the scent even though I was wearing the mask and all of that. I had to double up with mask at one point, but it was still affecting me. So I allowed Junior did most of this part, and then when most of the stuff are out, I helped him. So stay tuned, guys. So while we were doing the cleanup and all that, Mr. John wasn't there. He went to the clinic because he goes to clinic 3 days per week. Yeah, so he wasn't there. That's why you didn't see him. If you walk about there's something, the floor shit, the camera.
You're the first person again.
Something open, let me see. Something I can wash. Take them out.
No, got the other right.
You know where you're at? Oh. Put them on yourself. Let me put them. I think those. Yeah, milk drop, not sure. I'm gonna have to show it. That can wash out. Then smell, you can smell them after the milk drainer. Okay, put on a long time.
Before.
Then they can wash out. Then we can wash out in there. That here. I can wash. And that's it. Pick up that green one in this one. Guys, this was a long day, long day. Me doing this voiceover right now, I'm tired. I'm laying down, I'm so tired. Oh my goodness. But Huzzy did so much work today, so much work. I am so proud of him. I have such a good husband. I thank God for him every day. Every day. Those clothes were in bags and something. I'm trying to take them out and yeah, because most of them are good and you know, I think I bought a bag load of them weren't good. Stay tuned, guys. Mildred.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed,
there, so burn black.
Oh.
Go on, baby. Go on.
Yeah, shit, man. Let's wash all these up in the bed. Right. That's good.
You want some of your head, go.
Keep running on the wall instead. Can I turn it this way? Down here? Turn it this way. How many cup?
No, that's not
I didn't wash it mechanical. Guys, see overprotective?
If you're so hard for your company, can yourself up the hill. What you don't want the hops in? Sheesh. You come up the hill, you blow like a train tonight for a shop. No? What's up with you? You're anything in it?
The cover them. My mom.
Move the bed now.
Sit down, cup, there's a cover them.
Yeah, the cover.
Dry down from off a while. See you chichi dust them, I got it on the bed.
I'll leave for another part. Hey neighbor! Hello!
Sean, if you somebody answer them, I'm gone if you know. Are you alone up here?
You see, some of us go up. Go on, let's go. Go on, let's go.
I want to go here protect me now, you already left me.
Yeah. I know what you tell me.
Alright, me around.
Alright, yeah.
If I go to my teacher for clean, not true? If I go to my teacher for clean.
So, man.
You really agree?
Yeah, that's cute now when I agree to anything else. Just say something you know me that normally agree to. Say.
Yeah, because I normally agree to myself.
Alright. You know say I agree.
Do you want to clean up? Do you want to clean up, Nacho? Okay. Let's show you guys lamp. Who don't know lamp? So just in case you don't know lamp, the lamp.
Great home, sweet home. This is our lantern. So
Tell me a
know
smell
lantern.
first now. Go with them, go with them, go with them. Can't take a center, not something now. No. sort of person I am right now.
Long term. Well, them are young people know lampshade look like, so lampshade.
Show them something here. Me and Auntie like you're supposed to.
Oh, Mr. John, food something.
I food and that. Okay. So we can get one bucket and we can put the food in now, sure?
Yeah.
Alright. So that's where Mr. John type his food stuff. Yep. Which is good. I'll try to get a bucket and so you can put them in a closed bucket.
Let me just sweep out the place.
You got to put a cupboard down first.
Yeah, I should have told me to say I covered down.
So I can't be going down. Oh, you
Yeah,
decorate
make me work and sweep and dance and so me just sitting good now there and stuff.
A decoration me have to fix up now. A decoration them here. Chichi like, wow. I put enough bleach here. Okay, I'm the bleach then. Do you miss a small one? How much I put?
I'm looking at a wee shot.
Oh, this one.
You know, eat the food chops.
I've like a pea happy. Okay guys, so now we are doing the floor. We're mopping the floor underneath the bed, you know, trying to get all of those dust and, you know, whatever else that is there on the floor. So I'm giving it a good wipe first, and then I'm gonna sweep it again. My husband was coming with the sheet to put on the bed, but I told him to wipe it off first. So he was saying if I wipe it off it's going to be wet. So I said no, just wash out the thing and bring it out really dry and just, you know, give it a quick wipe, so any little dust or any little scent that was on it with the bleach scent now can, take it away. And he's going to be doing that in just a minute. Yes, guys, look at the map. Oh my goodness, it is all black. Junior said it's because the lamp, and I don't know if you have seen the ceiling. It's very black. We can't get off that right now. No, 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 no. So that part is going to have to stay. But we try and get off most of it off the wall, because the wall was, yeah, black, like, yeah. So, and it was dirty. So if I put the sheet on the wall like that now, on the bed, and the sheet push up to the wall, I didn't want it to dirty it up. So yeah, we tried and wipe it off as much. Looking much better than it was before. Yes, guys. So yeah, now Junior is about to wipe down the bed. Yep, with soap and a little bleach. Yes, the room was smelling much better already, much better, and it's not even done. Yes, guys, so my husband has a channel on YouTube. The name of his channel is Mr. Fix-It 123. I'm gonna write the name right here for you guys to see. So guys, on that channel, Junior will be documenting the pregnancy journey. So I would really appreciate if you guys come over on Junior's channel and show him some support, guys. Yes, he's a wonderful husband, and he's doing so much for me and the family. So please, guys, show him some support. Stay tuned. Just change the water. I'm gonna cut it again. That's how black it is. This is caused by the lamp that he's using, or was, I don't know. I forgot to do him, not sure.
The lamp cause that one.
Yeah, so they have to do him use the lamp. Sorry, that's what I see. Okay.
I feel mom.
I feel mom.
You probably can't get cursed now.
Oh. So lamp in direction.
And if you remember buckle lamp, my buckle lamp, home sweet home, but home sweet home.
I'm trying to have no window favorites come out and something, not sure. Like you did the other carpet instead of the brown one, blue one, because the blue one was very fast. Okay. reach home. Tired like, whoa. Was it that it? Was it going to wash out some of the clothes? Everything can wash, Sean? Just wash out some first, huh?
Sheet them and some of them. The rest one of the
Room the bill in a day because they have 2 bags over there. This is what, 2 bags again?
Yeah.
So go wash them out, guys. Stay tuned.
Let's wash out them and load that one.
Then they want to see if you're on different time, not you? Tomorrow, today is what? Tuesday?
Today Wednesday.
Today Wednesday? Then you can wash out Thursday.
So take out them out.
So this machine keep outside. Oh, it's the bottom part of the sheet there. When it dry, you can put it on the bed. Yes, sir, Junior. You're doing your thing, aren't you?
Pick and choose what to wash.
Just wash.
Wash out and close them out.
Exactly. Somebody say, oh yeah, put colored with whatever. And guys that can wash them themselves. No disrespect, but some people will say that.
Guys, I come back from up on Mr. John, and my little 6-year-old made a cup of juice for me. So, I don't know where the water come from, but I drink it.
Maya, come here.
She made it, so I'm drinking it. That's not a normal child.
She came in and said, Mommy and Daddy, I know you're gonna want juice, but I don't drink Lasker. Yes. Daddy drinking your juice.
See me drink the juice. Where you get the water to make it? That's my girl.
I get the water out of there, so come give Daddy a hug. Daddy, it was sweet, so Daddy put some water in it here. I said it was too sweet for him.
Jessica, Jamaican, your juice tastes better than your big sister.
That's true. Don't tell Jessica that. Hi. Here.
Jessica.
When Jessica make tea, Sean, oh my goodness, Jessica tea long and fresh, not true. You need to make more teacher to make juice, Jessica, and tea. Don't they say all that sugar there? You never mix up, Sean.
You forgot to mix up the sugar, baby.
Hey, what that sugar in that cup?
Sugar would have killed me.
Again.
Thank you, baby. You did a good job.
Thank you, Dad.
Yeah, you must say welcome, Dad.
Welcome, Dad.
Yeah.
Put back in the fridge and can make different juice with it tomorrow. I get jaundice. That's why I'm not drink none. So you're not going to put in the fabric softener now.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna.
So Ozzy is hanging up. The other one them dry. The others are dry. These feel like it dry. Them here dry man, they can put on the bed anytime. Not true. Take off at the other one now. Yes, Mr. John, your clothes them smell good again. God is good. Me just not John for Mr. John if I go buy some. That sounds weird, not true. I'm going to one John alone, Mr. if I go buy some, not true, Sean. Yes, smell nice, man.
I don't know when so do you make up.
Mm-hmm.
Anything can happen in your life, so.
Gotta do what they gotta do.
Still, do so we part.
So right now, try to come out to the sun. May I hide from the sun? Hush. When the hot girls stay in the sun, now becoming a hot. You're a hot boy now, you can. My belly. You know, love. Way. Sean, spider. Lick him. No, I'm not going to close. Sean, see me, I'm going to close with you. Sean, where did it go? Oh, he's gone. Really? Yeah, me though. If Jessica come out here and see his father, Jessica run gone long time. You're a good husband. You're a good husband. Yeah. These have to stay and dry, no? Take up the other one in my dry already, babes.
Alright guys, so I'm heading out on the road right now. I'm going to see if I can get Mr. John a pillow and pillowcase because he doesn't have any pillow. He was using a grocery bag stuffed with some clothes as pillow. Yeah, so I'm going to try and get him a pillow so he can have to rest his head. And we're going to bring up the rest of clothes when they are dry. So thank you guys for watching.
Hey guys, so I'm here and if you can see my eyes, they are like really sleepy. I want to sleep. I'm like drained. This pregnancy is really draining me. But I can't go sleep as yet because Junior went on the road to buy the pillow for Mr. John. And it seems like it's going to rain. So I have to be watching the rest of the laundry on the line because I don't want them to get wet. So I'm here like really want to sleep, but yeah, just gotta do what I gotta do. But as soon as Junior get back, my belly. As soon as Junior get back, we'll go and give Mr. John the clothes that that we took up off the line and the others that are on the line. Hopefully they'll dry by Junior come back, so he can bring them to him. Guys, so I throw the man with the bongo. show him out in Bunga, huh? So we are going back through the bushes to drop off a pillow on the clothes for Sir John. Bush I take my way.
Where you peel something in there?
Put it right there, right there. Want it close right on it? I take off something as well? Or you put them over there, so.
Yes, small.
Small or something?
You can't even pull on that butter.
You can't pull it.
I don't know how to design one. Oh, I'm a bit from. I'm a bit from, sir. Must look nice tonight, Sergeant.
Yes.
Foot alright?
Nej, men
Stand up too long.
I'm gonna make that paint one I
Catch yourself.
You want to sit down?
Catch yourself.
Kom här. Inte den där paint one I igen.
Okay.
I'm going to take this making a foot shot.
Sergeant, that's you.
Your room alright, you know. Can get a comfortable little sleep, not sure?
Yes, man.
So Sir John just come from clinic and thing. So Sir John have a good night here.
Okay.
We soon carry dinner come.
Yes.
We'll cook now.